Alright, I'm going to show you guys a real easy way to straighten out door panels on cars. Door cards, I guess you call them. People call them door cards, door panels. Well, as you know, Farrah's doors, a long time ago, the paper or the moisture barrier was taken out at one time, or fell apart or whatever, but when it rained, the water got in the door, it got the door card wet. And if you look here, you can see where the water was getting all over this, I guess it's like fiberboard, and then when it just warped, you can see on the side how warped it is. Now this one here is actually a pretty good one. This is the passenger side one. The driver's side one was so wonky, it was unbelievable. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys what you can do to straighten out these panels. So what I do is I'll take a wet washcloth, towel, wet, wrung out really good. You don't want it dripping wet, right? Take this thing, you lay it on the door panel where the problem area is. And in this case, I'm just going to do the whole thing. So I'm just going to lay this out like that so that all of the... Remember, you don't want this thing sopping wet. Just wrung out. I use warm water because I think warm helps a lot. You get your towel out here. Just like that. And then you're going to take another one. Because I'm the cameraman, Gayle's at work, so I can't have her show this. I'm doing this at home today. Anyway, so you're going to be spreading this out just on the cardboard. Make sure you got a flat surface to work with, like that. And that's pretty much it. I'm probably not going to go up higher because I don't need to make anything wet. That's unnecessary. You know what I'm saying? So then when you got that on, and I take boards. Now the area I've got is this area here. That's warped pretty bad. So I'm going to lay a board down here in the corner, like so. Take another board, like so. Butt it up against, then take a third one. I'm gonna clean that cat box out today. And then another one approximately in the middle to hold the center down. Say about right there is good. Then I'm going to take a big piece of lead, and it's freaking heavy. Jesus. I'm going to lay the lead on there. I got a big wheel weight from a tractor, and this will distribute the weight down doing it this way. But as you can see, I gotta get something over here yet to push this side down. I'll probably move that weight around, but you get the idea. And then when you're done, you'll have a nice straight door panel. Look how straight that door panel got. I'll leave it on till, I don't know, 24 hours. I got a dehumidifier in the basement running and a fan blowing on it, so it helps dry. So this is gonna go out in the sun for an hour or two. Make sure it's thoroughly dried, and we're going to put it on the Dodge. We're getting closer, guys. The seat's hiding under that blue cover, and then there's the bottom for the back. We're getting closer. We'll see you soon. Look at that, huh?
Yeah, look at the difference.
Hell yeah. Wow. Yeah. That looks awesome.
Yeah. I'll put those up there. Yeah. Yeah, huge difference.
Heck yeah. A lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a pair of new old stock ones on eBay for $265 plus shipping.
Nope, these will be just fine.
Yeah. And then the plan is we're gonna
fix them.
Fix them. we're gonna glue the seams back together with some special stuff. See how that works out. I think it'll probably work out just fine, huh?
Yeah, I think it will too.
All right, that's awesome. Good job, Gayle.
Thanks, Brian.
All right. Next time we see you, we'll be putting them in the car. I don't know. We don't know where we're gonna be.
Yeah, who knows?
We don't know what we're doing.